What's up, y'all? It's Mona Lisa. Welcome to or back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing like 60s style hairstyles. I tried to redo my little 60s looking makeup to you know have the full effect, put me on a little turtleneck. I didn't get me another vest today because like we just didn't fully get in character today. It's actually hot, so ain't no need for all that. But we just gonna get into the video. We gonna get into these hairstyles real quick because I got stuff to do. So let's get into it. Okay, so see, when I was in the mirror, the hair was like more like, you know, like that. But then I'd be flicking my hair around, like trying to give a more messy, like more of the rebel-ish looking 60s. I don't know. I feel like this is something like a hairstyle what they used to be doing back then. Like once the curls done, they looking different now, and they be slinging their hair all types of ways, and now boom, you know, you got a little. So this counts, okay? This counts as one of them. It does. If I need to pull up a picture, might pop a picture in there or something. But this definitely counts in my book, because sometimes they used to have the little cute, little messy looking something. So this counts, okay? I don't know what to call this one, but we're gonna do just a few frames before we go to the next style. Maybe call that wispy or something. Okay, so now we're actually gonna refresh the curls how they were. Excuse my comb and my edges. I don't feel like getting got to be like I really got stuff that I got to do in a little while. This is the next one, just quick, didn't want to put too much heat on it and rush, you know. All right, see, I'm always messing something up. Okay, next style we're gonna be doing, I gotta make sure I got 2 bobby pins for this one. I actually didn't try this one in the mirror yet to see if it actually looks good, so this is gonna be my first time trying. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is pull hair from both sides and just bobby pin it in the back. I know for a fact somebody had to have done that style, okay? Oh my gosh, I wanted to have my earrings in because folks wear earrings. Hold on. Because at the least, if I'm not gonna have my sweater on, excuse me, edges cooperate today. But at the least, if I'm not gonna have one of my vests on, we gonna put some earrings in to give us a little age and such. Okay. The next style I'm gonna do, you're gonna need a scarf. And this one is really simple and real cute and real cute. Also, let's talk about the fact that they wasn't laying their edges back in the day. So, if you really want to get in character, don't lay them edges. But me, I'm gonna be having my edges like. Oh, it's bleached. Ignore that. Okay, so this is the next hairstyle. Like, this is so cute to me. This is so cute to me. And I wish we had places to go because I would really do these hairstyles, like, for real. I don't think there's any more hairstyles that I could do with the middle part. So the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and flip my hair over. Ignore this whiteness right here. I could have colored it with a Sharpie marker like I be doing, but anytime I re-dip the hair to dye it more and things like that, it takes the dye off of the This is the next style. All I had to do was literally comb it over. I feel like you could also get messy with this one too. So I'm gonna go ahead and mess it up, and we're gonna consider that another style because I know someone's having that nice little, I don't know, like rebel-y looking calm for the 60s. I don't know how to explain it. We're definitely counting that as one. It's hot. It's hot. Hot. A hottie. Okay. Now the last one that I can think of is just to comb this all back orderly. And bobby Okay, you guys, this was the final hairstyle that I could think of. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I'm really loving these hairstyles. Like, I'm really loving these hairstyles. I know I'm gonna end up wanting to take this wig off, and I'm gonna have to get me another wig, maybe a blonde wig or something, and be having to do these hairstyles because they're so cute. They're so cute. And the makeup, the blush, I know back in the day they used to wear like colors around a nudie color, and this really isn't a nude color. It's really like lavender, like it's like an ashy color. And in my video that y'all probably seen posted, I accidentally put on too much and then I just took it all off. But I'm sure this would look great with some lip gloss on it. Too bad my lip gloss not near me, so, but I would like to see that. But I'll be rambling. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave me some comments letting me know what y'all would like to see from me, and I'll try to do that for you. Like this, I'm telling you, pop out like this, pop out like this. Folks are, ooh, just yes, and not even for no special event, not for no costume party, none of that. Just do it. It just looks great. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.